okayfm 101.7.
Oh, it's already there. Omo munimbrano. And I MPP for that omo. Because MPP for say once the Supreme Court akasa Honorable Quayson abato no and nim e wo mbrem nti o ma hye agu na je Honorable Quayson criminal matter no so obedi for kwa me za no mo nam kikeo na aje se wa unsua mrada ene ye de sa de we ye de sa nkuntumpo we ebedi because obi a wonimu mramu bi ani say civil case a danso from criminal case. Ubetumi akọ civil case bi mu ama na buabo but criminal case no ubedi nkuni. Anakwa me unim za.
Aye.
Mame ma typical example. Yura Alfred Abesi wo yome. Okay say the judgment that 51 million cedis man. Yura Martina me do the Supreme Court. Supreme Court can say Sikana Yitua man no. And ne kwanso a etia Article 181 of the 1992 Constitution. Emma, Justice of the Supreme Court, the Chikwa Koka say you create loot and share.
Sure.
Obekaya.
Emma,
Omoka Papa no first second.
Waritayo.
Oh yes. Emma, Supreme Court eka say wo yo me sikani e de man anya kwa person tipani nyina abra. But the criminal court na wo high court no. Wo yo me dibe.
I know.
That is why he is not in jail. That is why he's not in jail. And he said, if it is that simple, the Supreme Court, a civil case, no butiawa, excessive dolly, criminal case, no subquetiawa. Woyome should have been in jail. Why did he win the criminal matter, even though the Supreme Court ruled the civil matter against him? That is before we no claim your manu. That's a Omo Ankasano, the Omoka, the Montias, and no credit in your manu. Eti omo asem de enye no yetie otaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah no the prison eni Ghana for to aba man no ve eno be ye manpenyi Nelson Mandela koda si ase 27 years eso be ye manpenyi prison won enye nipa na dawo Quayson yes omo pa omo nye ne dien ye gina na chi pampe asen of for so asem omo kan say gada no a eno an yepe. And the court never yi massive gani ama asenof. And then your MPP na be nomineza go vote. And the betre the offer ma asenof. Momo mo ankasa nkyere. 2020 enche omo ase de omako mape. And the Gyakye Quayson. Enti anya momo ntre na mo ba bebo no and ebe mahu achi obi. No waka se nti no. O kwa koto na aba e de ama MPP. 7 years ni ade papa be na ma ya ma asenofa. Wadunti mo person to abama mo ya ho kira mo de abagana enti eno de ye dru for mo a ye beka ye wu mu nyina na adehye kronkwe wo ho no o ma jaaje na sa Supreme Court asem ya na ofesa obisa kwame dinti aye ka se yententie nyina ne se wo de nipa wutie ni bia yemfa NDC yemfa NPP sam entunche now de yen kamokre Ghana yemra ehwe ya battle so no say so pese wugina asemra se bedwani a e wo se wo ye Ghana ni kroje eni se wo ye omanfofuru bia so eni enu nti se wo ba bigina na wo ye omanfofuru bi so ni a emra ne se e wo se wo twa saa twa ka da wo ne omanfofuru ni mu tintuntai because yem pese di nti a ye sa amra ne se yem pese wo be kwa akotena ye Ghana fo ye mra se bedwam sewo shemra e di amaye abra oni omanfoforo wotwaka ekoba ne saa di omanfoforo ne pe no eno na wan hwe ya obeye no ti yese o kwa akotran ye mra che bedwemu a Ghana nko na wose wona ne wap ye Gyakye Quayson ye to ne so aba ma ne be ye mra che bedwani on 7th December 2020 en ye to ne so aba ne bo a obi nkan kire but one clear year, answer the Everton Swaba, which was December 2019. And on the Canadian passport, meaning Canada, Canada or mine. Say if he Sam Reno, December 2019, on your Canada need be.
But what must say, yen clear? Would you come out?
Oh, Kwame, what if we woman see was all no
Matilda.
A woman said, Canada Bremuno, so the cats I be Aquamawana or Jib Breshim na Axel Crano Busuminsia, not where we were Shishimu, not Wamau crat a dear dance say to see O Canada Nina Nawayan or Wickham, Junior Canada Nibia. In the honorable Gyakye Quayson day, then crat Akoma Canada for say, O Cha Apamwen at that one Canada or my Timon. December 2019. Let us say by June 2020, dear. Now was Canada, a canning cracker. And when the Fufian to ata, ya da sorry dabako, ya say ya reborn Nibia Bagana, your friend of coronavirus. And my lockdown see Canada, and my phone question. In the idea, I wasn't Gyakye Quayson. When you won cracker June 2020, cracker by 26th of November 2020. Kwame me pato coronavirus Gyakye Quayson ene de bai.
No Debbie.
And se delay aba. Na dia was think we pay June about 26 November. But nebe na papa iwaye. Because 26 November ni anto abanyi no. Ye to ne so aba 7th December 2020. Meaning that 10 clear days and some ye to ne so aba no. Na papa no onye Canada ni. Oko sai wo mrase bedwam 7th of January 2021. Everything you media say as mrase bedwani for asen no. Na onye Canada ni inti mra na wato ne we. Ye nua no MPP for say. Tien yo. Ye wura no. Order the nomination form come EC 9th October. MPP for say as at 9th October na nkrata de mai about 1 month after, which is 26 November. In the time order the krata come EC for no. Na unyenya krata etrese onye Canada ni bi inti watona. Na Kwame wo de o picking nomination form wa. Eno no ma we MP ana.
Debbie.
Na o fele nomination form no na de koma EC for e ma we MP ana.
Debbie.
Asem we eto asumu. Ade se ato so abansa. And now amma wadi nkunima kusai. Ansa na wa ye mrase bedwani. It is a nipa no ye pese wo se wa to Ghana mra na won to Ghana mra. Ye misa se emra ye to ne so aba. Emra na okwaku swai no. No ye Canada ni ana onye Canada ni. Mo ankasa Supreme Court ma dia tu. Se na onye Canada ni because 26 June na ne saka ne carpet onye Canada ni. In the 9th October ne dia e ba mu dabe. 9th October na the form come easy for ne ba mu dabe. Oh, e intention straight.
Na brother mami musa die bi. Okay. Okay.
Section 20D of the Representation of the People's Act, PNDC Law 284, Section 20D. What would you if you Google not check it? Also, say you to obey you be as na se betwenia. Na High Court person try back to anymore. And you know so ba kwa High Court which me ejina so de try back ni say. Nipa kwa ya to obey you no. Abra ye to ne so aba at the time of his election, not only qualified. Not at the time when the forms come out, but at the time of the election. Supreme Court to the SA, and was already qualified at the time when the form come out easy. Emrade ni atrelo. Nti mrade ya trend black and white too. Section 220 Supreme Court to the attraction.
Na ayi law. Mami Musa no cross February 27, 2020. Ebra wo ba Ghana no. What the Canadian passport na buy.
Yes, that's no February.
February, yeah. And say no cross say who fail form na baby wo amutro say do you hold any allegiance to another country? No so no how no be feeling say.
Because Miriam February asema wuke yet to about 2020. It will be the Canadian December 2020 to be the Canadian passport to go in February. I know they say February 2020 no machine. Now I'm taking form umpu. Now I'm submitting form no. Now I'm told this waba. Inti ano the infant tonche. Yet also be and a question who fill form now or sign say unyo magu will be any tracker. And I'm a bow minia. Me and I'm a Canada. And masesa me Canada nkrata nyina akoma Canada o man se free na eko twaka da me no ntemu no me kem tintuntan me nya Canada ni biem ebede na wase me se chenchina che me se me nya Canada ni biem kura me ne Canada wapam ase be what be that me say I don't owe allegiance to you o say chenchina you owe allegiance to Canada
wa mo say
na allegiance by force
wa mo say law
they are not thinking about it
law wa mo say
by force
law wa mo say emra no mu no ebi a wa acquire secret information bi about them enti niam be we wa eso mo hwe
the Supreme Court can say citizenship and allegiance are the same.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yes. Almost say, oh, yes, citizen. Me ya Ghana ni. Me tinya kwa yes, citizen of U.S. So niza. Ye odwa citizens, which is allowed by the Constitution. First, no, it was not allowed, but they say amend the Constitution now. It allows for dual citizenship. Nti ye Ghana for bibro ye Ghana ni, but e bi kwa ye wo ni U.S. Nti okita ni blue American passport, or also kita green Ghanaian passport. Supreme Court of all says once they say, oh yeah, citizen of a country, you know, and then you owe allegiance to them. That cannot be correct. Kwame say, oh say, me a Canadian citizen, into me owe allegiance to Canada. And Maraben was a whether I indeed owe allegiance to Canada. A Canada for Mara. Kwame talk to me. Because you can't use Ghanaian law to establish allegiance to Canada. It is only Canadian law and a better one more or Canada or mine a wapa.
okayfm.
Now, I send court. Now, as for foreign law, one. I ask someone, I was say you did never trial. Near threat dancing expert witness. Now, Obedia dance here about Canada, mra. And unti also MPP for Jomoro MP. You honorable doctor.
No, but to say here, somebody must lead in evidence. And if Pakrono, onim Canadian law.
Exactly.
On immigration,
Jomoro, Assembly MPP for the court now. Say, yeah, man, at the time our original Baswono now or your Ivory Coast because no Ivory Coast passport. Only be a course on here. Court no it be assem no trial enye Gyakye Quayson here high court judge say judge justice what say oko Wikipedia and the Canadian law and we did assem no when Wikipedia is not a source of law in Ghana wait here the judge no emma kwan say any assem no emma ye ma me doctors oko fair dance fall from Ivory Coast. Emma, the Ivory Coast form about citizenship and allegiance. That expert will be one dance. And some of you would say the MPP for Kano in Nina so. And you can say, my man, no need allegiance to Cote d'Ivoire. It was based on evidence which was led in court by an expert witness from Ivory Coast on Ivory Coast for law on citizenship and allegiance. And yet, then, in the case of Gyakye Quayson, Supreme Court did not take evidence on trial. There was no expert evidence on Canadian law relative to allegiance and citizenship. Now, also be a Canadian, you know, or allegiance to Canada. Say a Canadian brand was the judge and
it should be leading evidence.
Exactly.
Okay.
Dancing about Supreme Court and High Court, they are dancing. This is Canadian law on citizenship and allegiance. And that, as at 9th October, Quayson, heading the form, a command issue for him, he still owed allegiance to Canada. Where did the Supreme Court get that law from, or that evidence from? It's master. It is injustice. And the Supreme Court. Now, opinion on their judgment. A total injustice on my end. And yet, they say there is a court, a Supreme Court to be your friend Amansan Court, Court of Public Opinion. Yet the assembly Kwakoma, Omon Judge. Me would give you a regime, we say, Unyame M20, ombesan so aye yewura na dom na ne nyuma pa wa fiti ase no baba betwa
meda se adope
meso meda se minia
ya man me why
mema no minia
yewura Sammy Gyamfi national communications officer edima NDC amanyuku no pa chow
okayfm 101.7